Alrighty, just picked up an R6 2004, super clean. That was super nice. Time to go back home, baby. Right? Only issue is front brakes pretty cooked. They don't really work, but we'll figure it out. Yo, spin around. Bro, this thing is so light. Pull over. I need gas. I need gas. I'm almost dead.
Huh? He's almost dead.
Yeah, I need gas.
Let me see. Turn it up.
Oh, you want to turn around?
I think there's a gas station coming.
Okay.
Wait, let me see. There's a Sonic
Up here? Up there? There was one behind us.
Okay, you're right there?
Yeah.
Let's go right there.
I was trying to beep at you guys. I was beeping at you guys. You guys wouldn't listen.
Oh, not bad. Oh, let's go behind us. Let's go back.
Yeah, we'll go back.